You see here right now the free space on my system shows 110 GB. Just about a minute back, this was less than 1 GB and it was not letting me do any work. And if you have Filmora software, chances are that you will notice that suddenly you're running out of space, even though the videos itself is not taking more than 2 to 3 GB. And in that case, I'll just show you what I did. It was a quick fix, and with one click of button within 30 seconds, everything was deleted and I gained this 110 GB instantly. So for that, when you are on the Filmora folder, you can see here Wondershare Filmora. Right now, in my case, it's under the document, and here you have all of these folders. So first, you come to Media Proxy, click here, and in my case, it shows empty. This is where all the video file which I had used as a reference while editing were sitting, and I had no other use of those videos. All I did was to delete from this folder, and immediately it became 110 GB within no time. If you go up and you come back to these folders, here you have output section where all your videos which you have rendered will be shown. So in case you want to delete any of those videos which are not of use, you can do that. And also you can check this folder backup. Once you're here, if you're done with your work, you can just delete these and then you will gain your maximum space. Just with these three things, you will gain your space with Filmora. Otherwise, anytime you're using Filmora to edit, lot of resource will get used and you will see that you don't have much space on your system. Hope this helps you.